My name is Jayesh Kishore Gauri from Standard 9. Today our group going to present a science project. Fuel from plastic wastage. Plastic is one of the biggest problem in the world. It is harmful from health and environment. We can reduce the plastic to support the goal of Vikasit Bharat, Clean and Develop India. Aim our project is to convert a non-degradable plastic wastage material through this process is called as pyrolysis. This process is used from reduce the plastic wastage and energy at the same time.
Good morning. My name is Bhavesh Kasar and I will explain the step to make our model. Take a metal container, it acts as a reactor chamber. Put the small pieces of plastic inside the chamber. Connect the chamber to a delivery pipe leading to a cooling coil and it placed in a cold water. Attach the other end of the pipe through the collection bottle and gently heat the container using spirit lamp or the stove. When the plastic melts, it produces vapor gas that pass through the pipe. The vapor condenses to form the liquid fuel. It is also known as synthetic oil and the pyrolysis step.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rahi Jitendra Patel. I am from Standard 9. I am going to explain the principle and observations of our project. Principle. The process used here is called pyrolysis. It means heating plastic in the absence of oxygen, breaking it into smaller hydrocarbon chains that form fuel. Observation. We can observe that on heating, plastic is melted and produces oil-like liquid and some gas. This oil can be refined and used as an alternative for fuel and for generating electricity.
Hi everyone, I am Devanshi Srinshi. Let's end our presentation with some precautions and conclusion. Precaution: do not use real fire in classrooms. Second, always prefer heating in open or well ventilated area. Third, wear safety gloves and goggles if heating is required. Conclusions: our project proves that Viksit Bharat, that waste plastic can be converted into useful fuel instead polluting the environment. Our project, this innovation supports the Swachh Bharat and Viksit Bharat by promoting recycling and clean energy. So let's remember, don't burn plastic, turn it into useful fuel. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Siddesh Devare and I will tell the advantages. Firstly, it reduces the plastic pollution by turning the plastic into a fuel instead of dumping or burning it. This can reduce the pollution of the surroundings, rivers and oceans. Secondly, it produces alternative fuel. We can run the engines, heat homes and generate electricity with it, thus reducing the use of petroleum. Third, eco-friendly solutions, safer than burning plastic. We can use it to reduce the pollution. Fourth, economic and employment benefits, job opportunities for waste collectors, technicians, engineers, etc. and helping to start the new industries. Next point, it supports Swachh Bharat and Viksit Bharat by promoting cleanliness, renewable energy and recycling. Thank you.